Alright, what's up, guys? We are streaming and listening to old school hip hop. Today we're listening to Big Daddy Kane. Um, so let's just see where this takes me. So we're changing our code style from basically. So basically, I've decided that I'm going to use CodePen for code demos, and then I'm going to use basically my IDE for local coding, like, because I need to get into more of a modular code style. All right, so let's go ahead and close that. That's what I was working on earlier. So I'm starting to realize that I don't really like to work on other people's code work. I mean, it's good for some money, but everyone that I know that codes, that has like any sort of swag, they all end up, and even if they don't have any swag, they all seem to end up saying that you could just code for yourself and you could pay your own bills. So I think if they can do it, and I got an idea as cool as Freestyle King, I should definitely be able to do it. So I'm gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see what we can do here. So we're gonna start building Freestyle King in Ionic because I need um, I need to start getting this app pushed out because we're really deep into the progress here. But I'm gonna probably need to use I'm gonna need to start using GitHub in order to do this because um, basically what um, I'm gonna need to be able to go back and forth through the process. So we're just gonna do it live. We're gonna do it and we're gonna make it so anyone can see it. Okay, so yo, another victory is nice. Go ahead and hit the like button on that one. That was good. Okay, so we got our old Freestyle King here, right? So we're adding Freestyle King, the next version of it. See what's here. It's already in GitHub. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna have to do this. So basically, one of the big reasons why I'm so motivated to do this is because, like, I'm starting a job and it's not bad or anything, but it's just making me want to work for myself. Like, put some effort into something that I want to do, even if it's. I mean, I'm gonna get paid at my job, and I'm not gonna get paid doing this, but I don't know. I might get a little bit of money. All I need is like $2,000 a month. I should be able to make that off of Freestyle King. Okay. So, dang, this song is actually so good. I'm not lying. This song is so good. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting this to hit like this. Alright, new app, Freestyle King. No, not import app. We're not gonna import. We're gonna start with a template with, oh my goodness, how do I keep clicking the wrong things? Create from template. We want the same logo here as this one. How do I get this logo? I really want that logo. Damn, dude, this is real hip hop, bro. 1989, bro. This shit is slamming. Woo! This is so good, man. You gotta say this is slamming. You have to call this slamming, man. There's no other way. Okay, check it out. We're just gonna start from the bottom and work our way up. Here, we're gonna find a microphone. Here, we'll just use that, right? The black background, yellow background. Here, pick a template, tabs. That's what I'm using. The JavaScript framework, Angular, React, or Vue. What do we want? Do we want React, Vue? I know Vue the best, so I'm gonna have to use Vue. I don't think that's the best choice here, but it's the one I know the best, so unfortunately, that's what we're gonna have to do. Here, we're gonna pick our own custom color. Let's go with like a burgundy or something like that. Maybe like a light. Well, something to contrast with that blue. We'll go with that right there, okay? Oh no, it's menus what I want to do. Oh, my mistake. Hopefully it didn't start building it yet. Okay, it didn't start building it. I believe that menu is actually what we're looking for. I can't tell because I think that I specialized this app. Yeah, I think that I actually specialized this app to work the way it does in CodePen, but I guess I could just take all the code here and I could just copy it over and it should just work that easily. Yeah, that another victory was amazing. Almost want to run that back. Wow, I was impressed. Or I am impressed. Alright, here, let's see what menu looks like. If it doesn't have tabs though, it's not what I want. So I want to cancel again. I know we're building with Angular. What am I doing here? Let's go to Ionic, the website, and see what the templates are. Okay, where are the templates? We looking for menu, tabs. I actually believe that tabs is the one we're looking for. Oh, I see. I just gotta pick one. Okay. I like this app way too much to not work on it. I'm so serious. Like, after all the years I put into this app, I just like it way too much. Everything about it I love. Dude, that beat is amazing. Another victory? Wow. I just want to hear the instrumental. Okay, we'll skip to the next song. But boy, is that joint hard, man. Hold up, make sure we're on the right song. Alright, Mortal Kombat. Woo! My goodness, dude, that's the Biggie. Yo, two Biggie references already. That's incredible, dude. Two songs in, bro. Two Biggie Smalls references. It's blowing my mind, man. Here, we'll just send this over to. Alright. Look at those colors. Let's go ahead and send that to myself. Dude, this beat is so good. Man. He's still alive right now. Alright, I gotta redo my credentials for GitHub, so let's go ahead and do that. Bore ourselves to death. Let's do it. I love being bored. It's so enjoyable. It's what I do with my time. I like to bore myself. That's how I do that. Alright, let's go ahead and see. Oh no! Oh no! How do I get it back? Um... Wow, okay, I really have to figure out how this works. Maybe if I import app, it's gonna force me to connect. Yeah, okay. That's a weird way of doing that. Alright. That's a weird way of having to do that, to be honest. I wouldn't say that that would be a good way to do it, but look, we're connected, so that's how you do it. Look, I'm telling you, that's not the way. But who am I, man? That's so weird that revoking access and re-giving it was the correct thing to do when nothing sits there and tells you that that's how that would be correct. Okay, we got Freestyle King back up. We got Freestyle King back up. Yeah. I'm so excited. I'm back in the bag, back in my I don't know what any of this is. Okay, so now I need to pull this down from GitHub and okay, so let's figure out how do I do this. Initial commit. Okay, how do I pull this down? How do I pull this down? I just want to pull this down. What's all this? I don't know what this is. Look at all these warnings. Okay, probably annoyed of seeing me do this again, but we're actually going to delete this app here. Okay, we're gonna remake it one more time and we're not gonna name it V2. Hopefully it just lets me do that. I just don't think V2 is the best way to do it. V2 would be nice, but React would be the way to go, but I'm just gonna do Vue because I started doing Vue already and I'm just gonna keep going. Yeah, we don't got that much going here. Honestly, this app could just be extended from my WordPress version of the app. If I want it to be as simple as possible, I mean, that would give me a ton of features that I wouldn't get any other way. Okay, so they allowed me to use the name Freestyle King again, so we are going to run with that. Okay, so let's figure out how do I pull the code down, because we're about to get it in, man. We're about to get busy. You don't even have to be, it doesn't need to be a private repository, but it is for now, so. Okay, let's go ahead and see how do we pull this down. Oh, I see now. I see. Okay. I don't really remember how it goes. I know you have to clone. Here, let's go to Open API. Open AI. Oh, great. Okay, so it should be here. All right, there it is. He said, no pork on my fork, strictly fish on my dish. Yo, what a time to live in, man. Started off with the Farrakhan music. No pork on my fork. Ha! Bruh, if that ain't funny. Okay, this is what I need to do now. Is I need to start running this. Um, I don't know how this goes. I think I gotta go to package.json and see what the you feel me? I think it's Vites. Man, okay, what does that mean? No idea what that means. Okay, so how do I run this? Here, let's look at Ionic and see what their CLI installation is. Ionic start is what you gotta run, okay. So let's just run Ionic start. I'm a little sleepy, which is actually fine. It's good to be getting sleepy. Use the app creation wizard. Um, this should already be ran, so maybe it's not. Oh, I gotta do Ionic serve. Whoopsie, whoopsie. It's Ionic serve. Vites has a. Alright, this is why I love OpenAI so much. Check it out. I've just noticed that so many people just really don't. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I didn't do all the steps here. So many people don't want me to code like it's something cool to do. To me, coding is not something cool to do. Coding is a way to make money and a way to build products, okay? This is not cool. Nothing's cool about it, to be honest. It's corny, it's uncomfortable. You gotta sit in one spot for long periods of time. But unfortunately, there's no other way to accomplish what you have to accomplish with code. So, you know, that's how we it's better than there's a lot of worse options than coding that you could do in life. You could work in a factory. You know, if I didn't code, I'd work in a factory. Oh wait, wait a sec. I'm glad I didn't just commit that, bruh. I just ran a commit. Yeah, don't do that. Okay, let's not do that. All right, I got lucky there. All right, so hmm. At least I know it's that easy for my other project. Let's close that. Probably takes up a lot of space. Um, what else do we got? Run the app. Okay. Oh, we're supposed to copy and paste that error message. Let's find that error message. Still ain't half stepping. Peace. Yo, old 80s rap? Come on, man. Now, this is a night right here. This is a night right here. I'm about to go to sleep, though, man. I'm telling you. Hopefully, in the morning, I could work on this and it'll be fun. I mean, I could drink some yerba mate. I'll be up all night, but the reason I'm enjoying this so much is because I got the music in the headphones. So I'm not getting like. Yeah, I think that working on this is probably the best use of my time. I'm not having fun, but maybe I'll start having fun. That would be the best thing that could happen is if I started having fun doing it. Um, all right, let's see what we got here. Okay, I think it works. Yes, it works. Let's go. Here we are. All right, I've been here before. All right, so let me prove it. Watch this. I kind of miss when I was using brackets a little bit because it automatically sets this up. Well, that's okay. So what we need to do here is we need to take everything here and move it over to Yep, okay, we're gonna work on this tomorrow because I'm getting so sleepy. I'm having a great time, but I'm actually getting sleepy. It's just the music, it's just really helping me out, and it's just so poetic to be listening to classic hip hop while working on Freestyle King. Like, to me, that's just, it's what it's all about. Okay, so tomorrow I need to turn this into this right here, and I will. I just want to see what can I do here that can just make me feel just a little progressive. Where's our tabs 1 page? Let's figure out how this works. Yeah, I put a lot of work into this. Dude, what am I listening to? Oh, The Wrath of Cain live. This is a long album, but this old rap sounds like it sounds so different than like rap sounds today. Like this was for losing your mind to like in a positive way. Like this is for like having fun too. This is like intellectual. Alright, what do we got? Ion app. Where the heck is Ion app? App.view, tab 1. Ion app, Ion router. Well, I know that it's right here running. Right, it's sitting here running. So all I have to do is figure out okay. Why was that so hard to find? Oh, that's called Explore Container? Okay. Oh, I see. I got it. I got it. Okay. There it is. Okay. Alright, it's right here. Tab 1 should be called Home. Come on, let's get an update. Okay, they gave me it there. I wonder why they didn't give me it there. What is this Ion title? I think this is actually in the router. So, yeah, okay, that's in the router. So we're gonna have to change the names. Okay, I'm a little excited, I ain't gonna lie, because I have an idea of how this is gonna work. And it's all modular, so yeah, you see it, the home just changed there. Okay, we're not locked in, but we're getting there. So here we got wrap here. It's just because I already did some of the work. No, this the joint right here, bro. I get the job done. I work. Woo! Oh, here we go. Come on, let's get a home button. You know what? I think that this has a um a special configuration that I think that I'm somewhere importing the ionic I'm somewhere importing the ionic icons because I believe that should have worked there. says area hidden. So what if we do... Here, we're just gonna delete all this, and we'll come back to that tomorrow. Dude, I am sleepy. I'm kind of bored, but the only thing that can help me right now is some yerba mate. It wouldn't be a bad idea, actually. I'm just... Oh my goodness, what a cool album. Ain't No Stopping Us Now. Yo, that is such a banger. Okay. So my icons aren't working the way I want, and I don't feel like looking up to see why. Dang, I really put some good work in here. Look at this. All I gotta do is add a view. Okay, we're not gonna think about all that. Okay, let's see. I know that we gotta remember that one of these are gonna be a rap bot. So there's gonna be a lot of menus and tabs. So yeah, I want to go to sleep so bad. Like, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna come back on here tomorrow. We got a nice 45 minutes in. We're gonna get way more than 45 minutes tomorrow. But I'm just like, it's 11 and I'm sleepy. But I'm gonna spend more of my time doing this because this is more important than whatever I'll be doing. Other than I have decided that I'm also gonna stream myself. Basically transcribing music straight to YouTube, but not this account. I think I'm gonna do that on the Freestyle King account because that's where the samples are gonna come from. I'm gonna remake songs, the drums and the chords. I'm gonna use my MC101 with the 404 Mark II, and the guitar doesn't really make any sense there, but so as far as things I'm gonna do live, I found that other phone, so I'm gonna use that phone for beats. I'm gonna put beat sets on the phone. I'm gonna use the I'm thinking I'm gonna use the travel guitar, and I'm thinking the best thing to go with the travel guitar would be the Cube Baby and the loop pedal with the phone. I think that if I have sets in the phone, I should be able to do phenomenal things with that mini guitar amp, the loop pedal, and the Cube Baby. Now, if I could use Dep-like with that setup, oh my goodness. But we're not going to try to do too much. The reason that this is so good because this allows me to combine my guitar skills with my rap and code skills and marketing skills to add some basically guitar looping to my beat sets, so I could just improvise guitar looping with my Freestyle King sets. So that, to me personally, for what I want to do with my life, basically on my live sets, I want the part of it to be live, and I want part of it to be improvised. But when you start to add the guitar loops, you just get a kind of a mysterious setup here, and it's gonna be great. So I'm excited.